Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if the microphone is not working properly on the Xbox app in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to clear the app's cache. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and then make sure to click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side click on Apps and Features. Now in here, under the app list, click on the Search Apps box and simply type Xbox. Now once you found the Xbox application, click on the ellipsis next to it and click on Advanced Options. In here, make sure to scroll down until you find the Reset section, and you can start by clicking on the Repair button. In this case, the app's data won't be affected at all. But if this step doesn't work properly, you can also click on the Reset button. In this case, the app's data will be deleted and everything will return to the default state. You can then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to check the app's permissions. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and then make sure to click on Privacy and Security on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the app permissions and click on the microphone category. Now in here, as you can see, I have a drop-down menu with a big list that says Let apps access your microphone. Scroll down in this list until you find the Xbox application and make sure that the toggle that corresponds to it is set to on. You can then close this window, restart your computer, and check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to change the default output format. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type Change System Sounds, and then make sure to select it from the search results. Now in here, in the Sound Options window, make sure to click on the Recording tab, then right-click on the device you're using and select the Properties option. Now the last thing you have to do is click on the Advanced tab, and then in the Default Format category, click on the drop-down menu and select DVD or Studio Quality, then apply and OK to save the changes. You can then restart your computer and check if the issue is solved. Moving on, another useful solution is to disable the firewall. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in Firewall and select Windows Defender Firewall from the search result. Now in here on the left pane, select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off hyperlink, and then make sure that in both private network settings and public network settings to tick the box next to Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on OK to save the changes, as well restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to check the audio input drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. Now, in the Device Manager window, make sure to expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click on the problematic device and select the Uninstall Device option. Again, press on Uninstall to confirm this procedure, and then wait until the device drivers will be uninstalled. You can then restart your computer, and you'll see that after restarting your PC, these drivers will be reinstalled automatically. And then again, you can check if the problem still persists. Another great method is to use DriverFix, which is a free updater application for Windows. So basically, DriverFix scans your whole system and then searches the web for the most recent drivers. And from there on, you can choose to update the drivers you need manually or all at once if you upgrade to the Pro version. So make sure to check it out and get it for free by accessing the link in the description below. And that's it, plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.